beautiful people. Hello on this dreary day. So I'm in front of another property, not too far from the house, just checking out not so much the style, but checking out the inside to see what everyone else is doing and just to get a feel for what is happening in the neighborhood. If you don't already, subscribe to the channel. Click the link below and subscribe. Catch up on all the episodes you've missed in regards to the house and the other crazy parts of my life. But let's go see what's cooking in this house and come on in, let's check it out. Not necessarily as updated as our house, but cute. It's more like a carriage house situation. Oh, isn't this neat? My grandmother would love. Old houses make all sorts of noises. Really should go. So, is there a light? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we can find a light. Got old school lights. Oh, there's a light. And I think this is more so. Okay, so that's the sun porch area. I don't know whether it's a light in here, but pretty sure you just activate the lamps, but beautiful library. Alright, so not sure where all the bedroom space is in here, but alright, let's go upstairs. Let's check out the bedrooms. This is an office. Straight to a bedroom. Okay. Another bedroom. Still got the older heating. On that door. Oh, closet. Cupboard area. A kid's room. Definitely more of a chunky room. This is the room you don't want your people in. Just teasing. So the last property was not as modern as we like. So I think this property will be a lot more up to speed to what we're doing and conducive to what we're doing. So let's look in here and get some ideas. You ready? Let's go. Well, this definitely looks a lot more modern than what we were looking at earlier. Ooh. Beautiful. Wait, let's just make sure I took the key out the door. Ay, ay, ay. So this is a beautiful property. So as soon as we walk in, I'll open. Really looking at this house for fixtures. Let's turn on some of these lights in here. Okay. I would really love to see. There we go. So I think more so, besides looking at the colors of the paints, which are, if you guys notice, are all neutral colors. More so looking for fixtures. Definitely in dining rooms, you want skylight. We love this open concept. Central air, central heat, of course. It's all about the fixtures, folks. Nice sized deck. Beautiful deck. Nice sized backyard too. 2-car driveway. Let's just step out here and see how this deck wraps all the way around. Nice. Nice. Very nice. As you can see with the neighbor's deck. Beautiful. Obviously, this is the same type of, see if we can get some light, same type of island we were looking for. A nice big island. And yes, the lights are beautiful. I love this tile. Nice and backsplashes. Simple, yet effective. Counter is very similar to what we have as well too. Very similar. The range, stove is very similar to what we have as well too. Fixtures on the cabinet. Let's take the KitchenAid, of course. Beautiful. Hello, honey, I'm home. And they left water for me. Beautiful. Need to go get some cards. Beautiful. Let's take a look in the basement before we go upstairs. So. Beautiful. I hate it though when basements have that basement smell. This basement definitely has the basement smell. Our basement's a little bit bigger. Oops, step up. This is why. So a big closet. Do we need to go back here into the depth? No need, darlings, no need. Nice, simple, yet effective. Shall we take the grand tour upstairs? Open layout. Washroom. Nice. I'm assuming. Is this the master bathroom? The bathroom is gorgeous. Shared bathroom, nice. Baby's room. Hello. Little one. There's my keys. Okay. Ooh. Now this is the master bedroom. Nice. Lighting. Beautiful view. Honey, I'm home. Nice big closet. Nope, this isn't the master. Oh, yes it is. It's a suite. So I was looking at it wrong. So you see, you walk in, you say, this is the master suite. Simple yet marvelous. I love that tub fixture. Beautiful. Nice glass encased shower. Nice shower head. Simple yet gorgeous. Beautiful. Pretty. So on this level, which is what we have, you have 3 bedrooms. The shared bathroom, similar to what we'll be doing. We managed to save our some of those tall windows. See, look at that. Look how tall this window is. Just look how long that wall is, just to show you the effect. And up here you got some kiddie rooms. Nice. Notice how the realtor staged the place. Nothing too expensive. But do notice how the central AC is only 2 zones, so they kept it to the first and the second floor because up here they have a portable AC. So they kept it to 2 zones to keep the price down. And you got your bathroom up here with your stand-up shower. Perfect. Perfect. So this is definitely more along the lines of what we were looking for. Beautiful. Turn these lights off, folks, because this is not our home. Beautiful. Okay, folks. I definitely think seeing this house, this home, gives me quite a few ideas on fixtures, color palettes, which I already had on mine. I mean, they have it simply staged. Not too much furniture. A beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. All right, folks. That wraps up this beautiful home. And I believe, my friends, that is a wrap for our grand tour of homes today. If you are not subscribed, click the link below. Catch up on the house and all that we're doing there. And on any episodes you may have missed of me and the craziness. But again, the series is fun, it's exciting. You won't want to miss it. So, my friends, my darlings, my family, till next time, see you later.